Ready to turn your WIX store from a jumbled mess into a shopping paradise? Let's dive into categorizing your products on WIX, making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for first. Navigate to your WIX dashboard and click on Store Products in the left-hand menu. You'll now be in your product management area, where all your items are listed. Look for the Categories option. It's usually located near the top of the page. Click on Categories, and you'll be taken to the Category Management window. Here you can see a list of your current categories, if you have any, or a blank slate if you're starting fresh. Let's create a new category. Click on the New Category button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the category name. This is crucial. Choose a clear and descriptive name that accurately reflects the products within that category. For instance, shirts, mugs, or dog toys. You can also add an image for your category, which can make your store more visually appealing, and add a short description that describes the category. Once you're happy with the details, click Save. Now go back to your products page. Select the products you want to add to the category you just created by ticking the boxes next to each item. With your products selected, look for the Add to Category button. Click this, and a drop-down menu of your existing categories will appear. Choose the category you want to assign the selected products to, and click Apply. And there you have it. Your products are now neatly categorized. Remember, a well-organized store improves user experience, boosts your SEO, and ultimately increases sales. So keep those categories updated and relevant.